My name's Jonathan Cooper. I'm the product manager for NEC Display Solutions, and we have an exciting range of products to introduce you to today. Behind me we have a 24 square metre, 2.8 mil indoor product, which is a digital surface particularly helpful for very large scale displays, which is perfect for transportation hubs, exhibition halls or big lobbies for corporate environments. Our products really help organisations to promote their brands, promote their products and some of the values and key things that they stand for. Pleased to introduce you now to one of our applications for the retail market. Here we have three displays which comprise two 1.5 mil 16 by 9 modules, and they've been linked to a system which NEC offers called leafengine, which is some middleware which works with sensors. So as you interact with the products on the shelf, the content will adapt to reflect a particular product. So you can actually arouse curiosity, gain more collaboration with fellow visitors, and it's showing a link between the display and the product. Behind me we have a new retail concept. So whether it's in a shop window, in one of the walkways through a retail store, or as a wayfinding solution, this digital poster can replace paper posters with a very dynamic, bright and flexible solution. Here we have a fine pitch LED solution in native HD resolution, which is designed for very key decision-making environments such as boardrooms, meeting rooms, control rooms, auditoriums. It can be configured from 110-inch diagonal up to 330-inch. It's critical that you have clarity of information, quality of display and superb reliability. When you work with NEC Display Solutions, you have a worldwide footprint, bright choices of all the different technologies. We offer the highest quality, highest reliability, and can work with you on your project from conception through to delivery and support you once it's in place. We look forward to working with you.
Orchestrating a brighter world, NEC.